Hello everyone, I am Batu, and today we're going to be talking about the overview of the Marvelous APS software. Let's start with one of our APS session. So I'm going to go, for this example, I'll be going with our sample 21, which is one of our sample scenarios. Let's double click on it. After clicking on it, that as you can see, we can see all our working schedule with our special non-working time, with the non-working machine times and non-working labor times. After we're setting all our work schedule and our non-working times, we can hit capacity calculated. Let's do it one more time. And that will take a couple seconds to load. After that's finished, we can go to our Gantt chart. So as you can see, this is our Gantt chart. Let's zoom in a little bit. If we go one of the, let's try to click, as you can see, this is one of the jobs. Under this specific job, we can see the assignment status, which is successful. We can see that specific job code with the explanation. We can also see our planning start date with the date and time. We can also see the planning end date with date and time as well. And we can see our order delivery date. If I want to click on the specific job, we'll see the job's work steps. As you can see, this specific job is 3 steps. This one up here, this is the second, and last one is up there. Below that, we can see all operations in a work order. So as you can see, they are under here with 3 steps. First one is like embroidery, then sewing, then quality control. It goes that order. Again, for each order, we can see the business start date, the time, and the job completion date as well. For the reports, we can also see our reports here from as well. In order to access them, we're gonna go up there. And as you can see, we have several reports. First, let's go with the general capacity report. Let's double click on it, and that will generate our general capacity report. Under this report, we can see all our work centers with their total capacity, with their use capacity. And we can also see our total assigned job count for each work center, as you can see here. And let's go back and let's try to open another report. This time we'll go with APS plan summary. Let's double click on it. And again, under this report, we can see our plan start and plan end dates with times. We can see all our total produced job orders with total late job order. We can see total job count. Below that, we can see the pie chart, you can see the use capacity with assigned job and on time or late jobs. And below that as well, we see all our resources with their total capacity, with their use hour and their free hour. And you can see the usage percentage for every resource here as well. Under the Gantt chart, we can see some of the jobs are delayed. For example, this one, it says almost late. So in order to fix our bottlenecks, we can go, let's go back to our main dashboard. Then we're going to be going to our bottleneck. And under that, we're going to be fixing those bottlenecks under job stabilization schedule. All right, so let's create a brand new job stabilization. So let's click on it. As you can see here, we're going to be choosing which job to be fixed. So we're going to be choosing a bottleneck. So let's go with this one. And let's go with this first job. So let's double click on it. When you click on a specific job, the job description, workload, job quantity, and the job quantity assigned will generate automatically. As you can see, for this specific job is scheduled start date is this date and time. So what we're gonna do now is we have 2 options. We're either gonna find the best time by due date, or we're gonna be finding the best time for a work center, or we can do both. But for this example, I'm gonna be clicking to find the best time for due date. So when I click on it, as you can see, the date changed to June 30th. If everything looks good, I can add to this my schedule by clicking on add to schedule. And as you can see here, the system put that specific job in the best available time frame on right here. I also have option to change this manually. In order to do that, we're gonna go to settings, So this chart is locked at the moment. So I'm going to unlock it by unclicking the lock chart. So I can move it around. So I'm going to be choosing this specific job. I can hold and drag and drop the specific time frame, as you can see right here. So it was here before. Now I'm going to be moving to up here. And it will, after putting that, this system will update it. As you can see, it's all saved and good to go. We can do the same concept in our Gantt chart that I showed you guys earlier as well. So let's go back to our Gantt chart. Let's go to our sample scenario. And after that, we'll be going to our Gantt chart. Let's go to settings. Let's unlock it. And I'm just going to go with this specific job. So I'm going to hold it. And as you can see, I can move it around a time frame that I want, which is, let's go with this one here. And it's that simple. That sums up the whole overview of the Marvelous APS software. Thank you.